I'ma get y'all this content though. He put the other one back in. We all good, strapped down, ready to roll. We on our way to our last stop, which is 40 minutes away, like I said before. So make sure y'all stay tuned and drop a like on the video and comment and let me know that y'all here. I'm sweating, I'm tired, I just wanted to show y'all, man, this on the road, you always gonna see something stupid. I ain't gonna lie. What's the word, birds? It's y'all boy Flu Dog with the vlogs, man. We back at it with another epic banger, man. If y'all new to the channel, make sure you like the video, drop a comment down below and let me know y'all here with y'all boy. And make sure you subscribe and join the FB family, man. We drop daily content, man. As y'all can see, we in the van, we working, man. You feel me? We up doing our van, expediting. You know what I'm saying? We have us a load, we running. We on our way to like Chicago to pick it up. And we're gonna be running it down towards like Southern Illinois, you know, and drop it off. So make sure y'all stay in tune, man. My camera, well, ain't nothing wrong with my camera, but I got my laptop over here, and I still need to finish editing some vlogs, so I don't have nothing uploaded, so I gotta improvise and shoot a phone vlog, man. So bear with y'all, boy, man. So yeah, man, like I said, right now we on the way to the city, man, to go pick up our load. You feel me? Yeah, fam, my phone overheating, man, it's tripping, but like I said, make sure y'all stay tuned, fam. Yeah, man, I'm back, y'all. Let me see, am I recording? Yeah, I'm back, y'all. I'm just riding, thinking, man, it's a blessing, man, to be just alive, man. You know, like, me and my pops was talking the other day, and we was talking about just like, you know, how life just is crazy, and how, you know, like, kind of like everything happened for a reason and stuff like that. You know, and he was telling me, like, you know, he done been in instances where, like, he'd just be pulling off, you know. See, 1 second I'm having storage issues, 1 second the phone overheating, y'all. They don't want me to get y'all this vlog. But like I said though, man, like I said, Pops say he'll be pulling off from somewhere, something bad will happen to somebody. You know what I'm saying? It'll just be chance that he wasn't there. You know what I'm saying? So it's a blessing. And same, you know what I'm saying? You know, we done been through, you know, once you think about it, we done been through all kind of stuff that you can't even imagine. Like, how did I get through that? Or, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, it's a blessing because we got the man upstairs watching over us. You know what I'm saying? Our steps are preordained. You know what I'm saying? So if you wake up, just know you got a purpose and a plan. You know what I'm saying? Just, you know, try your best to walk with the big man, and he gonna get you through what you need to. You know what I'm saying? So that's just how I'm feeling today. You know, I was trying to record and get it to y'all, but they wanna play around with the storage in the video. I don't even know if I'm recording or not. So I'm just trying to get it to y'all the best way I can, man. Like I said, you know, if you up to date and you alive and well, you able-bodied, you got your life and your limbs moving and everything good, man, you don't got no worries. I know life may be hard, or if you feel like it's hard, or if it's good, whatever the case may be, just give thanks, you know what I'm saying, for your situation, because it could always be worse, you know what I'm saying? And with that being said, man, I'm still rolling. I'm probably like maybe about 10 minutes away from the warehouse or so. I'm recording. Let me see. I'm recording the TikTok too, so I'm trying to record the TikTok and the vlog all off the phone at the same time. So it's gonna be a little rough, but yeah, when I get up there, I'm struggling recording this, but like I said, man, I'ma holla at y'all when I get to the warehouse, man, and we try to get loaded. So make sure y'all stay tuned, man. Peace. All right, fam. So we done made it here to the yard. I'm about to get ready and go in and get checked in, and then we're about to get loaded. So make sure y'all stay in tune, man, and drop them comments if y'all got any questions, fam. Peace. All right, fam. So we just checked in. We are out now. I'm about to go get loaded. I'm gonna probably just record it on a TikTok to show y'all after I'm loaded. So make sure y'all stay tuned. And if y'all do want to see me get loaded, make sure you go check out my TikTok at FBFluty, spelled the same way. Yeah, man, you know, so peace. All right, fam, we loaded up. One of the pallets broke, man. We just went through a lot. I wasn't recording, like I said, tried to record it on the TikTok, so check that out. We on our way to drop it off. It's like 2.5 hours. Yeah, man, so like I said, 2.5 hours away. I'm fighting through this vlog. I'm gonna get it to y'all, I promise, man. But like I said, I'm gonna holler at y'all when I get down there. And we get offloaded and everything, man. So if y'all got any questions, man, please comment them down below. I'll holler at y'all in a little bit, fam. Love, peace. All right, fam, so they just hit me to go back and get another piece that's going to Decatur, which is like a couple more miles away from where we dropping this stuff off at. So I gotta turn around and go back. I probably don't put that on TikTok, I don't know, who knows. But if I do, make sure y'all stay tuned. So that's what's going on, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. Peace. Right, fam, we getting off the highway now. I don't know if y'all can, yeah, y'all should be able to see it. We had our first stop here in Decatur. We ain't there, but we getting off the highway. Probably about 40 more minutes. Get the first package out, and then we're gonna head to our next spot, which I think is probably like an hour or so away. And then we done for the day, though. So make sure y'all tuned in, man. Comment down below. And we're not gonna record this one on the TikTok, so I'll probably get them unloading it and stuff. So stay tuned for that, fam. Peace. All right, fam, we done made it here to the first stop. We on our way in now. Try to get unloaded real quick, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that. And then we are 40 minutes away from the last stop, and then we done, fam. So tune in. Yeah. All right, fam. So we here. I'm waiting for them to come with the forklift so I could get unloaded. The piece that's going here is behind these two pieces, so we got to get this out first, and then they'll take that one. We'll put this back in, and then we'll head 40 minutes to get the last 5 little pieces taken off. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned, fam. Love, peace. Got the fork here. No, go up. Yeah, that's good. That's kind of hanging off a little bit. I need to push that back. Try to push that back. So this is what we gotta do. We gotta move this. That's how we gotta do that, so they can take that. Let me see if I can get this pushed back. Nope. Yep, there we go. Just gotta lift it up a little bit. Yep. The phone keeps stopping, y'all. I have to keep going back in and deleting stuff. I'm gonna get y'all this content though. He put the other one back in. We all good, strapped down, ready to roll. We on our way to our last stop, which is 40 minutes away, like I said before. So make sure y'all stay tuned and drop a like on the video and comment and let me know that y'all here. I'm sweating, I'm tired, that fam. But yeah, I'm gonna holler at y'all in a second, fam. Love, peace. I'm still rolling, fam, but I just wanted to show y'all, man, this on the road, you always gonna see something stupid. I ain't gonna lie. This big pink ass bus.